So in this tutorial, I will teach you how to prepare your beautiful clients and your beautiful work for shooting. So you will have wonderful and great pictures. So first thing that I will do, I will use this corrector pen. It's my pen, my brand. And I will go very precisely around the contour. You have to be very precise, but it will cover all of the red spots that you might have around the contour. So the reason why I choose this pen is because it makes my work easier if I do it with the brush, and the concealer or makeup for me it will take more time, so this is the easier option for me. And this pen is also very good because you have a sharpener with it, and it actually sharpens it for a very sharp edge, very sharp tip, so it's easier to, you know, get to the line. So in this area where the lip is a little flip, you can just hold it like this, press it, and it's easier to make a straight line. Remember, you have to be very precise because you can easily destroy your contour and it will be more visible. Of course, you have to do it perfect, so use this little wooden stick with the cotton just to make it very precise, because you can also destroy your design if you're not do it correctly and precisely. So make sure that everything is straight. And now you will take a brush and a little concealer. So I always put a little concealer. I always put a little concealer on my hand like this, and smudge it. Smudge the edge with your hands, and for the rest of the face use the makeup. So if you feel like there is somewhere like too much, just take this clean lip gloss disposable brush and just take it off a little bit. Or you can do it with your hands, with the gloves on, of course. And remember that on the picture everything will be visible, all of the details, so you have to be really precise. The next thing that I like to do is put on a little bit of gloss, and I basically use the SKILLZ Aftercare, which is glossy, but I don't like to use like too much gloss, so I just take out a little bit like this. The rest will be for the customer, and I will add the gloss on. And again, don't go over the line or everything will be visible. So again, you have to be precise as well, because if you go over the line with the gloss, the light will shine somewhere and it will break the light there. So on the picture, everyone will think that you don't have a straight line and maybe you did your best work, but you just didn't get enough time to put the gloss on properly. So like here, for example, make sure it's where it wants to be. And if you go over the line with the gloss like I did here, just take it off. Remember, you have to be really precise with that. Okay, so I think we are ready for the shooting. And of course, I like to do things a little interesting, so you can use some decorations. Make sure that the decorations are always disinfected, because you will be putting it on the skin, on the open skin, so you can try that too. I use some decorations for nails, some decorations for face, so just have fun and play with it.